Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to search properties by zip code in PropStream. So to search properties by zip code, you have to log into your PropStream account. So go to propstream.com to log in using your account details. Then on the dashboard, find the search bar at the top right. Then type the zip code you want to search the properties in. You can also use different type of zip code, depends on the region specific zip code you want to use. Then press enter or click the search icon. Then the map will zoom into the area of the zip code showing available properties. Then from there, to narrow down the result, use the filter on the top side, which is the property type or the owner type or the equity or price, just to narrow your result. Then come from the list or the map result to find the properties you're interested in. And that's how you can simply search for properties by zip code in PropStream. And that's it.